Hello and welcome to Optimize, Google's free testing and personalization product. I'm Jason, technical writer here at Google, and joining me today is Optimize product manager, Alex Q. Hey Q.
Hey Jason, good to be back.
Good to have you. Okay, so what's involved in creating a redirect experiment? Well, first of all, a redirect experiment will allow us to test multiple web pages against each other just by using their URL. So this is useful for testing multiple landing page designs or a complete website redesign. So how do you do it? So we're going to show you today in this video how to create a redirect experiment in 3 steps. First, you're going to create a variant. Now that's real easy because all you need is the URL. Second, you're going to choose your audience. So this is where you decide who should see your experiment. And finally, you want to determine what you want to measure. And this is called choosing an objective.
All right, so Jason, as you mentioned, a redirect is really great for when you have alternate versions of something you want to test, but you're really interested in seeing which one performs better and that each have already been assigned a different URL. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's demo. Here I've got a flower shop, and this is the original version. You can see the URL there. And then here is the site redesign with a different URL. I'm going to go ahead and copy this one really quick. And now let's jump right into creating an experience. I'm going to click that. I'm going to give it a name, site redesign. And this URL just needs one update. I'm going to choose a redirect test. Now that's the original URL we've got there. Click create. Okay, so there's that original site. Now I need to add the alternate URL, and I do that by clicking add variant. Here I'm going to paste, and you can see that it's going to redirect visitors from the original to this alternate URL I've got. So click done. Great, and there it is. It's already pre-allocated 50% of all site visitors to the original and 50% to the alternate. Next, as Jason mentioned, you'll go ahead and want to determine who gets to see it. Scrolling down, click Customize under Audience Targeting. There's a whole menu of options here, but in this case, because it's a redesign, I actually want every site visitor to see one or the other. So I'm going to close out and just leave it as targeting all visitors to the site. Finally, third is what is the objective or criteria for determining a winner. Here I'm going to add experiment objective, choose from list. And in this case, what I'm most interested in is making sure to find the one where visitors bounce the least, meaning they come to the site and they don't just immediately leave the site, but they stick around and check out the rest of the site. So I'm going to choose bounces. And that's it. Scrolling back up, I'm going to go ahead and preview each one there. And as I'm done with preview, I can go ahead and click start and you're on your way.
So that's it. That's how to create a redirect test in 3 easy steps. For more information, please check out Optimize and the Optimize Resource Hub.